folks, Fat Guy Flies RC right here at the Avon Park Aero Maulers Club. We're going to take up the F-18F from FMS. Have a little bit of fun with it. This has the reflex system in it, which I'm only using the, I guess it's their dynamic mode, which is the same thing as wind mitigation or AS3X, or I guess they call it optimized mode. And then AR620 is my receiver, and I'm running a Sokokin 4000. Kind of right in the middle. You can see it's right there. Battery shoved, or the receiver and all the reflexes way back in the middle, and the 4000 is just right there. The only place you can put it. So kind of a tight space, but it's workable. All right. And the model comes with water slide decals. And me and water slide decals do not get along, so I actually ordered the E-Flite F-18 80mm decal sheet, so slightly out of scale, but I put them on there the best way the way they made sense to me, or how they look good. So it's not scale, but it looks good to me, so it's my plane. So hey, left, up, down, right, left. Got takeoff flaps, landing flaps. My rates that I'm flying in today are 85% over 20% expo all the way around. All right, wind is about 5 to 10 mile an hour cross runway, but oh well. This 70mm EDF also has one of the best sounding motors out there. Now she has very narrow gear, so when you land, she's has a bad tendency to want to wing rock to one side or the other. All right, here we go. Gonna come by slow and low. Whoa, hot rod. Uh-oh, I'm stuck in the sand pit there. Boy, the ants are mad. The ants are mad. All right, gonna do takeoff flaps this time. Here we go. We'll come right down right at us.
Landing flaps, gear down. Time remaining 1 minute.
All right.
Flaps up.
All right, we're going to take off from down there. All right.
Takeoff flaps.
Take off flaps, and here we go.
Gear up.
All right, we're going to do vertical in 3, 2, 1. There we go.
10, gear down. 9, landing flaps. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
Yeah, time's expired, so we got to land now. On the runway, that's good.
Up.
All right.
Motor on. Motor off.
Okay. Let's check and see. I'm going to show you the gear. The thing about this plane, when she lands, she's down, she's planted. When that gear compresses back, I mean, it just almost like grabs like Velcro. It just grabs the ground. All right, she's down. Let me show you this gear real quick. I just love the scale bent knee look to that gear. Okay. All right. Flew for 5 seconds shy of 3.5 minutes. Got 38%. So you could go for 3 minutes and 45 seconds or 40 seconds and come back at 30%, which would be perfect. So really 3.5 minutes is perfect with a 4,000. So anyways. Well, folks, that is the FMS F-18F. Got this from Horizon Hobby. Actually didn't get it from Hobby Zone. However, there'll be a link to the purchase in the description of the video. If Hobby Zone sells it, I'll put a link in there. And since it's an FMS plane, if you want to use my link and my code I'll give you, you can take $10 off the price. I think if Hobby Zone sells it, I don't remember right now. But if it is, there'll be a link and there'll be a $10 coupon code that's good forever off any FMS or Arrows RC planes, not parts, but planes on either one of those. And that code is all caps FGFRC. It stands for Fat Guy Flies RC, FGFRC, and you can take $10 off the price of any FMS or Arrows plane from Hobby Zone. Thank you, folks. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all, and don't forget, faith, family, and friends with an F-18s. Bye-bye.